Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to dive into a new brand to me. I have a full face of makeup to put on. These products are time-saving, multitasking products, and the brand is called Mommy Makeup. So if you want to see me put a full face together, then just keep watching. Little bit of backstory about Mommy Makeup. This company was started by Deborah Rubin Roberts. She was a professional makeup artist that wanted to have some time-saving makeup that was quality, vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. The company reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some products. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send these to me as a gift. I didn't want this to be a first impression, so I have been playing with these products for over a week now, getting a feel for them so that I can give you a solid review and opinions as to whether or not you should be checking out mommymakeup.com. I do have a couple of helper products on my face today. I did go ahead and do my brows. I do have a brow gel to show you. I also put on a primer and a little bit of a lip oil. I, of course, will have all products listed and linked in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to use those links, I may earn a small commission, and I thank you for your support of me and my channel. I'll start with the Mommy's Little Helper. This is a concealer, an eye base, and a face cover-up all in one. I picked the shade Sleeping Beauty. This is their camouflage concealer brush. If you want to take a look, it's a nice flat brush. And I will start by applying the Mommy's Little Helper to the darkest part of my eye, including that inner area. The texture is nice. It's not a thick texture, which I appreciate. And if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, I had mentioned a little analogy that was told to me, and that analogy, I'm just covering dark spots here, was that if you use too bright of a concealer, imagine wearing a black bra and putting a white top on top of it. Just concealing my eyelids. You're going to see the black bra through the shirt, right? Well, if you wore a cream or brown colored top, you would not see that black bra. So that is the analogy that Deborah uses when trying to explain about not going too bright with your concealer. So I'm working on it. I see what she's saying. I have spot concealed, gone under the eyes and on the lids, and I'm going to let it marinate for a minute before I blend it in. While I'm letting this set, I'll go into the Powder Perfect color. This is a multitasking product that can be used for the eyes, cheeks, and lips. I have two colors in front of me. This first one is called Pink Mocha. It's a pretty coppery, peachy pink. And then the other one is called Sugar Cookie. Just a little more frosty pinky peach. I'll first go into the Pink Mocha, and I have the Deluxe Shadow Brush, and I'm going to just start spreading this on the eye. And I must say, the texture of these shadows feels amazing. It's kind of a cream to powder formula. It's very nice. I've not had any issues with creasing or fading. This brush is nice. It's kind of fat and fluffy at the same time. Look how easy that was. The bristles on the brush feel very soft. This one is a bit on the denser side. I've been really impressed with the quality of the brushes that were sent. Just blending out these edges with a light hand. I'll take a break from the eyes, and I'm just going to blend that Mommy's Little Helper in. This is my foundation brush. I'm just blending this out, merging it with my skin, and I'll just take my ring finger and make sure that that concealer is blended appropriately. All right, I'll go back to the eyes and put a little bit of this sugar cookie on the center of my lid. I'm just going to use my finger. Isn't that pretty? Clean finger to blend. Light and bright. Next I have this Stay Put gel eyeliner that's waterproof. Mine is in the shade Black Beauty. In playing with this liner, you can do lots of different things with it. You could build a smoky eye and blend it out as a base, or you could just use it as a waterproof gel liner. It comes in 10 different shades. I have the Mommy Makeup pointed eyeliner brush here, which is really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner. This brush is super precise. And definitely check out the Mommy Makeup website. She has so many nice videos explaining the products, giving tutorials on how to use the products. Very, very nice. When you only have a couple of minutes to put a look together, comes in handy when she explains what to do. I'm just tapping very lightly into this gel. A little bit goes a long way. The liner has been wearing lovely. I have not had any issues with fading, smudging, smearing. Easy. I'm also going to put a little bit in my top waterline. We'll come back to the eyes for mascara because next I want to go into this Mineral Dual Powder Foundation. I have mine in the shade Cuddle, and I have their kabuki brush to apply it. This powder has no talc in it. It feels very smooth on the skin. I'm just swirling and buffing. It's really looking like an airbrushed finish on my skin. And this brush feels so soft. And you can use this powder to set under the eyes. Where I want more coverage, I am swirling and tapping. Next I have the Mineral Powder Bronzer, which looks very similar to the face powder, but this has a matte finish, where this has a more shiny finish, which is nice when you're in a rush. And I have the Mineral Powder Makeup Brush here. I'm gonna tap off the excess and just tap this on. It's got a luminosity to it. It is warm, but not too warm. So remember, bronzer should make you look like you've been touched by the sun, warm up the skin. Again, super soft, pretty brush. I'm gonna go back into that sugar cookie, which was the lighter of the powders. And I'm gonna use this as a little highlight. Like I said, this texture is super creamy and soft to the touch. Just add a little more glow. And then I'll go back into the pink mocha in the Powder Perfect color. And again, I'll just rub my finger in. We'll put a little bit of this color on right under the highlight to give some blush to the cheeks. And of course you could use a brush. I'm enjoying my finger with these products. A lot of glow. I'm going to take this down a little bit. There are two different mascaras on the website. They have the Lush Lash Water Resistant Mascara, and they have the Lashalicious Mascara, which is a clean, vegan, gluten-free, high-performing mascara. I chose Lashalicious. The description, they just knew me. It starts by saying, have it all. I always want the length, the volume, the curl, no smudging. Yes, please. This has a spiral hourglass wand, and let's just go in. The formula is a little on the wet side. There we have one coat. I'll go in with a couple of coats and I'll be right back. I'm back. Mascara looks great. They also have a product on their website which is a lash and brow shield. This is extra insurance to make sure that your lashes and brows are waterproof. I have been playing with this and I like it. It does not seem to make your makeup harder to remove, and I've had absolutely no issues with smudging. I need to try the mascara on its own because I was just excited to try this and I have been enjoying it. I've not tried it in my brows because I do have a brow gel to play with, but I like it and I like the concept. Who am I? I'm skipping shadow and mascara on the bottom lashes. I like the fresh look. I'll go ahead and finish my brows with this brow tint. It does have microfibers in it to fluff the brows. I have mine in the shade Cool Brunette. I do like the teeny tiny wand, and I'm sure if you had fuller brows or better brows than me, you could only use this in your brows. I just feel like my brows are so sparse and so without structure that I do still prefer a brow pencil and then just set it with a colored brow gel. And this is going to add a little bit of fluffiness to the brows and provide hold so that they do not move. I went ahead and added a lip liner because I didn't pick up a lip liner from Mommy Makeup, but they do have these triple sticks lipstick and cream blush. They are in a chubby stick sort of form, and that would be a nice double duty lip liner and lip color and cheek color. They also have a line smoothing lip gloss, but what I chose was the Stay Put Matte Cream Kiss Proof lipstick. I got mine in the shade Bridget. Pretty packaging, and if you didn't notice, everything has that pretty Mommy Makeup logo on it. No scent. It is a very pretty nudie brown, my kind of style. This does dry down. It feels a little bit dry on the skin. Just make sure that your lips are exfoliated and moisturized before. Then go in, give it a minute to set without rubbing your lips together, and this lip color goes nowhere, which I do appreciate. I also enjoy the dry down in that it's very lightweight and you don't feel anything on your lips. I've given it a minute to set and I feel nothing on my lips, which is my personal preference. And there's the kiss test. You see a teensy bit of that lip liner because it's the e.l.f. lip liner that does move. And if you wanted to dress up the lip a little bit more, of course they have their lip smoothing gloss. I'm going to take a little bit of the Sugar Cookie and put it on the center of my lips just to add a little bit of shine. Here is the completed look. What do you think? I think it looks gorgeous. I look bronzed, I look glowy in all the right places. The skin looks amazing. The eyes look done without being overdone. What are my favorite products? I love these Powder Perfect shadows. I love that you can put them on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes. I used it as highlight. So many uses and some really pretty colors on their website. The powder foundation, I really like the way that my skin looks. It does wear pretty well. I don't know about 12 hours, but I've worn it quite a few hours and it's held up. Today is the first day that I put a primer on underneath it, so I will be sure to put a note in the comment section as to how it wore throughout the day. Primers are always recommended, and they do have one on the website. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any of this mommy makeup. I love the idea of fast, easy, cruelty-free, made in the USA makeup for the mommies out there or people that are in a rush. I took my time today explaining the products, but I do believe that this look could be done fast and you can look put together with minimal effort. Be sure to check out the website. Again, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. I love chatting with you in the comment section. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.